Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can start receiving email notifications about comments made on Facebook. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, select menu. After that, tap on settings and then select notifications. Here, tap on comments and then toggle on the button beside email. Now, every time someone comments or replies to your comment on Facebook, you can get an email notifications about it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.